Well, hi guys, welcome to Trading in Self-Isolation. Another fairly upbeat trading session coming through, certainly in equity markets. We've seen a little bit of dollar strength, but we're just about to roll into the last day of the quarter. So let's have a look at the price moves and set the scene for Asia today.
So you've got the ASX, obviously a staggering move, up 7% yesterday. SPI futures are up 1.3%. I'll be sceptical we see that sort of magnitude of a move. I'd be looking for something like 0.91% as we close out the final trading day of the quarter. Certainly, obviously, everyone infused by yesterday's Morrison's 130 billion stimulus, the wage subsidy bill there, which should increase government debt to about $1.5 trillion, 80% of GDP next year, but that shouldn't be an issue with the RBA backstopping situation. Have a look at futures apart from the ASX. You've got European futures looking quite good at this stage. The Nikkei futures are up 1.7%. If you look at the change from the cash close, though, it's not as enthusiastic as you're probably seeing there. So a positive open expected. Perhaps these futures markets overstating things a little bit. Have a look at how we're closing out the quarter in the cash sessions. You can see the ASX down 22.5%. You price this in all these markets in US dollars, we're down 31.8%. We're looking at apples and apples here. We're underperforming on the quarter the rest of Asia. You can see here the Nikkei down 19.3%. And it's really been the Nasdaq at the moment, which has been the outperformer, down a mere 13.4%. We'll have to see how that continues into the new quarter. Have a look at the S&P. This is defining my equity world at the moment. We've had this really big move down. Obviously, everyone's felt that. We've had this 20% rally. We're just getting curbed here. Does the new quarter bring new life to the market? Does it bring a momentum play, or is it a level now to try and fade this? For me, you've got the index holding above the 5 and 10 day exponential moving average. A break of this sort of 26.37 level, obviously very bullish, but we've seen declining volumes coming through, and it might be interesting to see if we see price action roll over from these levels. There's a lot of misbelief in that as well. Have a look at what else we're seeing. You can see oil prices down 6.2%. They were at one stage down 19.2%. Credit spreads fairly flat on the trading session. And in FX markets, it's really been the dollar which has flown today, up 6.7%. Aussie dollar's held a tight range, and really it's been the dollar flows that's playing through. So enjoyable day there, and certainly setting the scene for Asia.